GinTech has a wide range of magnetic accessories for surface grinders to provide you with the versatile machining and work holding options that you need.
This is GinTech's 5485 Universal Arm Magnetic Base. The arm is machined from high-quality aluminum alloy and attached to the magnetic block.
The magnetic base is lightweight and easy to operate. It also eliminates the oil leakage issues associated with hydraulic designs. The 5520 and 5535 sine plate magnetic chucks use the best quality tool steel as the base with a magnetic chuck on top.
These magnetic chucks can be used with all sizes of surface grinders to provide angular grinding capabilities.
With the use of our gauge blocks 5487 to 5490, precise angle accuracy can be obtained.
The 5554 Precision Rotary Magnetic Chuck provides you with the highest precision, with accuracy down to 1 micron, and has a rotational speed control from 0 to 100 RPM.
When you add this rotary magnetic chuck to your grinder, it provides you with surface grinding and cylindrical grinding capabilities on your machine. When you're grinding circular workpieces on your machine, you would usually have to use a front-to-back motion right the way across the workpiece to complete the grind. But with this rotary magnetic chuck, all that is needed is a simple radial cut to the center to complete the job in far less time.
GinTech has a massive range of magnetic accessories, so let's take a look now at some of the other products in this series.